Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your signature to your account on the fandom.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then go to your homepage and tap on this profile button down below in the left side corner. Then click on View Profile. After that, tap on it again and click on My Preferences. Here, tap on User Profile. At the top, scroll down to the Signature section. Here you can see your existing one. If you would like to add a new one, then tap onto this box and type it in. And hit Enter, click on this button, and then it will be saved. As you can see, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.